Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download credit report from Transunion. So first, you may want to head over to Transunion's webpage and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top corner of your screen, click on credit report and from the credit report page, click on go to dispute center. A window will then pop up. So make sure that you read and agree to the terms and privacy policy, then just proceed by clicking on continue. So from the menu page, click on get a copy of your consumer disclosure. Once again, you will be redirected to your customer disclosure page. So make sure that you read privacy policy, then proceed by clicking on the continue button. You should be able to see a success message. And from there, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the download or print your full consumer disclosure PDF file button. And all you have to do is click on it. And from there, you should have an access to your credit report. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!